The EZTEST Harness consists of EZTEST source and EZTEST sync blocks, which provide the inputs and outputs for the test object. In the EZTEST-Specification, you can define what inputs, outputs, and parameters will be used during simulation. The EZTEST-Interface specification includes the name of a signal or parameter, the abbreviation type of usage like input, output, and parameter, the Simulink Data Type like double or unsigned integer 8, the dimension like 1 for a scalar or 2 by 3 for a matrix, min-max values for value design ranges, the unit property like volt for voltage or meter for a distance, and description of intended data usage. In the interface, you can define all the interface characteristics, including the names and port order. To apply the modified interface to the test harness, you can click on the EZTEST Update button. Now you can use the new interfaces in the test cases, but existing test cases will not run if you modified the signal names. You can correct the signal names and port order by hand or use the cleanup function to propagate the modifications to the selected test cases. The cleanup function sets the default order, color, and other formal data properties for all selected test cases. The incompliant data specifications are not deleted, but moved to the right of the test case description. The user can decide how to deal with all data. In some cases, the data values can be copied to the renamed signals. You can use the test specification context menu to export all interface properties to the model automatically. You can now run the test case to see if the test interface is correct. EZTEST automatically creates the Simulink parameter objects with the predefined properties specified in the EZTEST interface. You can redefine the parameter values for each test case.